Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we're going to give you a very good move that you have to repeat every day to improve your dance skills.
If you are ready to bring your dance to the next level, we are ready, you are ready, let's go. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a like if you are enjoying this. And now, yes, let's go to the dance floor.
Okay, here we are on the dance floor. We are going to show you the first exercise to improve your skills for the tango moves. So I will rotate, and the first one will be to work on sending the leg, in this case I'm sending the left leg back, and opening the right shoulder. So I try to align my right arm with my left leg, and then center and back to feet together position. Keep your heels together when we do that, toes facing outside. And we're going to use now body weight on the left to use the right leg back. Pay attention on the position of the foot. It's more touching the floor with the big toe, dropping a little bit your heel, and using the left shoulder open and the left arm on top of the right leg. So try to disassociate torso. And then front, back to axis. If you notice, I have the legs straight, I go up when I have feet together, but later when I transfer weight and I send, in this case, the left leg, I can make it softer on the knees, softer position, so I can rotate even more. Try not to drop the torso forward, shoulders back, and feel this move. Center, lifting feet together. Transfer weight to your left, move the hips to transfer weight, this is important. We need to feel the lower body very much on top of the left, send the right leg, lower, and open the left shoulder. Try to keep this position as much as you can. You can move back, relax, keep moving back, relax, and then up to feet together. Very good, this is very important to move the torso to right and left, and then the hip will be in different angle. Torso and angle with your hips. Now, after you do this couple of times, so you warm already, we're going to do another one that's also important and will prepare the next move. We're going to do the same. Now we're going to transfer weight and place the other leg. So I have my right, body weight change, and touch back with the left. At the same time, doing that with legs, we're going to use the torso, like we did before, back, feet together. Moving forward, we're going to move the torso to the other side. So I have my left side of the torso, back to feet together, right side, feet together, left, back, front, and back. So in this case, when I go 2 feet together, moving backwards, I have to keep the legs straight, lift the torso, keep the position very elegant, and feel the axis, balance in this point, in order to go front and align the legs. Softer, higher position, lift shoulders, front, softer, opening the position of the torso, front, and align again and feel your axis here. Very good. We have more exercise for you.
Okay, up to here. Before we continue to the second part, we would like to invite you to check these new courses.
Yeah, you can go to online tango training. This is our tango school online, and you can see that on our website, miriamleonardotango.com.
You will find different courses, and if you are looking to keep improving your dance skills, we have solo training for followers and also solo training for leaders.
We are sure you will love it, so please check it out.
Now, let's get back to the dance floor in the second part. All right, when are we having these kind of cases of pivoting and sending the leg back? For example, followers, just one case, she's going to use it during the Molinete when she goes back, side front. And leaders, we use it a lot when we finish a Lapiz, yes? And you will see those cases in a second. So let's start up with the exercise, the main exercise that we are going to be doing now that you have your body warm. we are going to do this. Body weight is on the left. We are going to transfer body weight to your right, and we are going to pivot quite a lot on our right leg, tuck, and open a little bit the right shoulder blade. At this moment, we have to make sure that the little toe is not on the floor. We have to have the big toe. Once we have that, we are going to feet together, and we are going to point to do a side step. Yes, now probably you're going to be facing the other direction. But here's the thing, we are going to do side, and we are going to pivot again so we come back to the other front. Pivot. Did you notice that my knee is behind the other knee? That's one point that we want to see. And the big toe is on the floor. At the same time, we open the right shoulder blade. And side step. One more time. Pivoting and passing by feet together. Opening the right shoulder blade to go back. Feet together. Point. This point is just to improve a little bit your disassociation and your balance so you don't have the habit of falling into the side step. Now we go to the side step once we're in control, and we repeat. One and side. Yes? So, for example, leaders, when we are doing these kind of things, for example, in a Lapiz, we are doing a Lapiz, and look how we finish this Lapiz. 1, 2. Did you notice that it's exactly the same exercise? The only thing that instead of passing by feet together, we cross behind, we are coming from the side. And then we transfer to go side. Yes? We use it quite a lot. One of the most common problems that the leader has during the Lapiz is that we cross behind without any pivot. Same for the followers during the Giro. So when we are here, it's important to pivot to coordinate with the followers. So we end up kind of hip to hip and then feet together. Just for you to have an idea what we are talking about. So one more time the exercise. Side step and pivot back. Pointing, side step. Again, pivot back. Pointing, side step. Again, pivot back. Pointing, side step. Pivot back. Pointing, side step. So try to repeat this exercise and will improve for sure, will improve your dance. For the followers, will improve the Molinete 100% for sure. And leaders will improve your Lapizes.
Congratulations, you get to the last part of this video. Remember, if you enjoy it, like it and share with your friends.
We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you for your support. Bye.
Bye.